were some futuristic glitches. Anyways, we are here to launch the merchandise of Love Story 2050. We are associated with Cartoon Network. He's here. He's told you all about it. This film would have not been possible if Ad Labs was not my right arm. We are really thankful to the support through. Nobody believed me when I was going to start this film to say that I'm going to merchandise products from this film and that can generate a revenue. And it can create an excitement amongst the audience. It can probably make the film even more popular. Really, there were many who didn't believe what I was saying, and I was really adamant about this. I was making a film which is not the ordinary, and I wanted to do and exploit revenues, avenues, and all those elements which I had in mind that this film can reach at a different level with elements which we've not been exploiting in films earlier at a big scale. And that's how we associated with Cartoon Network. And I think it's a moment when I can say that we're going full blast with merchandising of a film in our industry. And I think it's the beginning of something we all don't know how big it is. And it really, I think, puts in the mind of the audience and the sitting goers a lot of excitement in associating with the products. I remember when I would visit these theme parks in America, and maybe Sumo the Fish, or maybe any particular place that I would go to in Disney World. And the moment you finish that tour and you come out, you are probably push your way out through a store which sells the merchandise or whatever you saw just now. So the excitement to pick it up is so much that you can't believe. And I think it's the association with what you've seen and with what you have, which you can take home as a souvenir. I think that's what all this is about. And we are very excited and hope this moves the right way as we presume. And thank you very much for being here, guys.
Can we have some lights?
Some lights. I think they want some lights.
Can somebody pan those lights on them? Yeah, that's better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is that okay now?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, very nice. Thank you.
Continue.
Well, I must say, very excited to be here because, obviously, because Love Story 2050, this is my first film. But over and above, it's the merchandising launch of this film. And this is something which, as a family, we've been discussing for a very, very long time. And even in the midst of while we were creating Boo, Dada and my sister Rovna and my mom, all of them are artists. I'm the only nincompoop in the family when it comes to painting and art. And I would always sit and watch all of them sitting and creating Boo, and then creating Cutie, and finally, having John Cox to actually create them from Australia and make them. And it's taken almost a year for these robots, animatronics, whatever we may call them, to be made and finally come alive in front of us. And now finally to actually become merchandising, and we promote the merchandising as well as to put the merchandising out into the market. So it's quite a good feeling. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does, Mr.
How do you
Govind.
feel?
I'm very excited to be here. I think just finally seeing the film coming alive and bringing out characters from the film to present to you and to people, I think just makes you feel like the film's are ready to be a part of one's everyday life. And Boo has been my best friend through the film, so I would wish a Boo on every single girl out there, for sure.
I would wish a Cutie on every single boy out there.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Well, there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely wonderful. Let's give a big round of applause. Come on, that looks cute. You know, one thing which we really like about Love Story 2050 is it's going to really appeal to everybody, the kids, the grown-ups, and it's going to be special for the kids because they're two lovely, lovely characters, Cutie and Boo. Now, we've got a few very special kids. They're coming from St. Catherine's Home. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, three beautiful kids. They're very, very beautiful. They're very cute. They're going to come here, and of course, two of Herman's cousins who are going to be coming. Well, they're going to come here, and of course, they're going to receive this lovely merchandise. They're going to be feeling really special. This is the moment of their life. There you are, the lovely kids. They're going to receive the merchandise from Priyanka and Harman. Well, you must be wondering, you should be a kid right now. This is a real special moment indeed. A very special occasion for the kids, ladies and gentlemen. Well, they say you get a special moment in your life, and this is the special moment for these lovely kids. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 of them from St. Catherine's Home. We're going to give a big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Let's show some energy. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now. All right, gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, Priyanka and Harman are going to be right here.
Look up. Look center camera.
All right, thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Okay. Have somebody coming there.
दोस्त आगे हेलो अरे भाई होस्ट आगे जाओ या तो यहाँ पे पीछे कैमरा है खड़े होके जंप कर रहे हैं यार इधर तो
Mr. Baveja?
Which Baveja? You
Mr.
can
Harry
say.
Baveja? Yeah. You know,
Go on, shoot your question, please.
excuse
Please, your
Mr.
question.
Baveja here.
Yeah.
This side? in the front.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. Here.
Yeah, 2050, you know, every event that you all have been launching, it has been started.